I don't know what it is about the last couple of days. I've been talking about it here in the studio, but yesterday I got hot. I couldn't cool down. Same thing today. I don't know what it is. Hot.
Yeah.
Come on now.
This heat can get you if you're not prepared for it. But you've been drinking water, like you've said.
Yes,
so
I have.
He's
been
drinking a clear liquid in his cup.
Yes.
We assume that it's water.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. It is. It is.
Sure.
See?
Did you smell it?
No, it's as pure as it comes.
I don't think we have to worry about that. I will let you two handle that, and we'll go slide over and talk about the weather. Being by the pool is a good place to be with all of our sunshine. Speaking of the haze, you noticed the haze the last couple of days, not as much this afternoon. We've seen more of a bluer sky for today. We expect that trend to continue, but it is quite warm. That was our view from the Tyler area just a moment ago. Right now, the wind sustained out of the southeast, upwards to about 10 miles an hour for us. Thankful that we have the breeze. If the wind was lighter, air would remain a little bit more stagnant. We'd probably be talking about more of a heat index value into the upper 90s to lower 100s. Right now, that heat index upwards to about the mid-90s at this time. Our air temperatures today have been warm. We peaked between about 92 to 94 in East Texas. Right now, upper 80s to the lower 90s. We've got 88 in Dangerfield, 88 also in downtown Longview. Grand Saline, northeast Van Zandt County, 89. Same for Gun Barrel City, and Athens reporting 90 degrees. Down in Jacksonville, temperature of 89. 88 in Carthage. Henderson just a little bit warmer at 91. Same on the southeast side of Palestine. 88 in Rusk. 90 in Lufkin. Groveton at 89 degrees. Zavala reporting a temperature right now at 93. Give you a check of the radar. Things are quiet. We could use some precipitation to help cool us down just a tad. But on Live Viper radar, things are quiet here. You got to go all the way out into West Texas. Severe thunderstorm watches are in effect. We've got several severe storm warnings there. There's a storm just northwest of Lubbock. It looks like it has a confirmed damaging wind or a hail concern there. So that storm working its way to the northeast. All of the severe weather is going to stay out in that direction. No precipitation heading our way anytime soon. Got a ridge of high pressure, and that's going to give us our summertime heat here over the next few days. Looking ahead to tomorrow, we'll start in the low 70s, but some of us are going to begin into the 60s as we get some drier air in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. That'll cool us down just a tad in the morning. Still muggy, though. Don't want to discount that. Lower 90s in the afternoon. Our wind tomorrow southeast at about 10. Heat index for tomorrow coming down just a little bit more. We'll probably stay in the mid to the upper 90s. This is valid at 4 o'clock, so these numbers can fluctuate just a tad. But either way, still staying just shy of 100. But if you put this into perspective, where we are here approaching the middle of May, this is still abnormally warm, both the heat index and the air temperatures. These air temperatures are running about 10 degrees warmer than where we should be here as we approach the middle of May. Looking at Futurecast, going to watch our area on Friday. Notice here some thunderstorms off to the northeast and into Louisiana. Watch how they get closer to us on Friday, late afternoon and evening. If you're closer to the Louisiana border, you may have a better chance of seeing some rain and thunderstorms. We'll put in a 20% rain probability, but there's enough weakness in the atmosphere where we're going to get more clouds into the day on Saturday and throughout the weekend, and a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. Don't want to call the weekend of washout, so if you have some plans being made, celebrating some graduations or end-of-year events for school, just keep an eye on the radar for us this weekend. About a 20% rain probability. Meet us up in Gladewater tomorrow for Small Town Live. It's going to be very warm, but at least there should be a breeze around. Heat index probably in the mid-90s as those rain chances pick up. The temperature comes down, but it's not much, close to 90 degrees, and then the heat builds again getting into next week. Deep East Texas, similar forecast here. We've got low 90s over the next couple of days, and those isolated rain and storm chances beginning on Friday.
Thank you.